Hello everyone, welcome to another weekly Forcast on gold. If you're new, check out the links in the video description. So we're going into the first week of October. Okay, so it's a new month, new liquidity, new volume going into the market. So last week we had this big downwards move. Let's just have a look at that. So opening of the week, we got that downwards move. It went a lot further down than our target, which was here, and all you saw was bearish pressure getting into the move. And hopefully if you followed the free channel, you got some use out of my voice notes and you would have made some profit from them too, to follow that manipulation that was being shown. Now let's go to the higher time frame, and we're going to go over the daily time frame because not a lot is showing on the smaller time frame, so you're going to have more of an idea if you focus on the daily. Period separators off. So we have two key areas. This grey one down here, which is, let's zoom in to there. So that is the first bearish FU. So this is a manipulation area running along here, and that is the start of the downwards move that then started this big move up. So this is your fake out and then the impulse move up. You also have this bullish FU, which is the start of the upwards move that got retested here. So that's why this area is a key level. Now what we're looking for from those areas will be a reversal to go up. And that will be for a retest of some sort. If you follow the free channel, I will update the areas which we are looking to target when we do get that retest. At the moment, price is still very bearish because on a daily time frame, we've just created a new bearish FU. Now that could be the start of a manipulation move if price continues down, and then during the New York session, you get a nice impulse move to the upside from one of these areas. So where the levels where those areas are is, top one is between 1845 and 1829, and then the one lowest is between 1819 and 1806. So they're the areas I would be looking for a reversal, and that is also a bullish FU level on the weekly time frame. So you can see here, here's your consolidation candle. Next one does the fake out, takes the sell side liquidity, then gives you the impulse move up. Then the following weekly candle gives you that retest before continuing up. So we are also in a bullish weekly area. So this is a bullish support area. So that's why we're looking for a reversal this week. Like I said, I don't expect the reversal to come straight away. You can expect a little bit more of a push down, and then once that happens, look for the bullish move up. Areas you'd be focusing on is this new bearish FU that's been created. So we'd have it labelled up like that, and that would run along there. So that would be the first target, and then you'd have the next highest one, which is this one here. So this would act as an FU breaker. So what that is the manipulation that took place here that caused this upwards move has now been broken by this big downwards move. So before price can continue down, it's likely to retest either this area or this area and then continue down. But seeing as it's only the weekly forecast, you'll only be focusing on the reversal and then the upwards movement, and that would fill in some imbalance here on the big downwards move we had last week. And it's clearest to see on the daily time frame, because when you go down to the 4 hour, you can't really see much unless you scroll all the way over to the left, and then it's quite a long distance back. So I would stick to the New York sessions, wait for one New York session to be bullish, and then you can get into the move and follow that bullish move to the upside, which would be focusing on a reversal from this big downwards move, which is a retracement up, and then it's likely to continue down and target this low down here. So we're looking for a retracement up this week. Then going into the next week and the week after, you should expect a continuation down to follow this big bearish move. When you go to the weekly time frame, you can see what's happening. So here we have, to this period from here to here is a whole year. You can see we're coming up to the yearly opening price. That's also within that bullish area we are currently coming down to. So we have a lot of bullish support in this area. So I'm going to just change that to white and make it a bit thicker. And you can see, I'll leave that like that then. So that is at 1827. That's the yearly opening price. You can see that's within the bullish support area, and we've had a nice impulse move down. So what that means is you should get a nice bullish move coming down into this bullish support area, and that is what I've all explained. You have the yearly opening, the bullish FU on the weekly time frame, then you have multiple manipulation areas on the daily time frame that would cause that upwards move. So there you go. I'm going to leave it there because I think I've rambled on enough. Have a good week. Hope it brings you some profit. Message me if you've got any questions. Links are in the video description. Take care. Have a good week and goodbye.